Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a pin from Windows 11. All right. First up, go to Start menu, right click on it and go to Settings. Once done, just go ahead over to Accounts right here in the left pane, click on it. Now scroll down right here until you find Sign In Options. All right. Click on it. And in here, you should be able to see Pin Windows Hello. Just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see here, you should be able to click Remove right here easily. If not, as you can see here, under Additional Settings, for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. Go ahead and toggle this off. Now, you're going to want to close this one. Reopen the Settings app right here. Go back to Accounts. Now in Sign-in Options right here, click on it. Now again on Pin Windows Hello, click on it. And as you can see, the remove option is now available. If you want to remove it, just go ahead and click on it. All right. And it says here, are you sure you want to remove your pin? Just go ahead and click on remove if you are sure. All right. Once that's done, you can restart your computer to check it out and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.